elogwinto limnandi masiphinde ke sipotise babukeli bethu ngoku ke singena kwi-yure yethu yesibini yenkqubo kwaye ke kuninzi esithe sakuchaphazela kwi-yure yokuqala kuquka ke umba wokuphendula kukamongameli epalamente sachaphazela mbukeli inkonzo yesikhumbuzo samajoni athe abhubha ngexesha lomlilo nokunye angumoya waba ungalala ngokuthula. Qhubeka ke mbukeli uhlale nathi ukuze uzivele nako konke ke esikuphathele kona namhlanje. Isendimlo ke ukholosa kalubisi uMahlongoti.
Mbukeli sesingena ehoreni lethu ke lesibili manje kanti sesilishaya salivala ihora lethu lokuqala. Kusakuncane ke lokho sakubonile wembukeli ngoba lapho ohlelweni phela sikuphathele ngisho nanomculo njengoba besesishilo usazobona wena ukhuluma nabantu. Kunomunye ke obebhale ukuthi uma ngabe kunomuntu olethe CV emsebenzini wakho, call the manager and stop saying asiqashi. Uqasha abantu wena ngoba plan nawe uqashiwe, awume nje bizi manager. Hayi cha ukhuluma kunabantu mbukeli njengamanje ke ake singene ehoreni lethu lesibili sibheke ihamba phambili.
President Ramaphosa calls for the immediate cessation of violence and the exercise of restraint.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa umemelele kunikezelwe ngeenkonzo zoncedo ezikhawulezileyo nezemiqathango eGaza.
Luchani nginguleno sikusheshelo umhajo ikwekwezi FM emthonjeni 9 to 12. Siyakwamukela ehleleni elitsha likamabonakude lendaba ezinabileko Ekhaya Jikelele. Sikhamba nawe nomsebenzini uchinge esikolweni konke kuhloka kuyokuthola zamva nje siphuma phambili indaba siqahe ngezemidlalo ubujamo bezulu ukuthi nawuphuma ekhaya wazi ukuthi umbathe njani. Konke okuhloka ngelimi oluzwisisako la ku SABC News.
Owayesakubanga umongameli womzantsi Afrika uThabo Mbeki ubeke ibala kwiqela le-ANC kokusilela ukuhlaziya noxa ke bebegqibile kwelo kwinkomfa yabo yangonyaka ka-2017. UMbeki bethula intetho yakhe intuthuzelo kwinkonzo yesikhumbuzo yeqala yomzabalazo yeliqela uAziz Pahat e-University of Johannesburg. Ukanti okaPahat ukwababazwe ngendima ayidlalileyo kumgaqo siseko wamazwe ngaphandle nendlela besombulula ngayo imicelimngeni yemiba yangaphandle. Ulishile eli libakade ahlabayo eneminyaka eyi-82 kwikhaya lakhe apha eRhawutini kwinyanga edlulileyo.
Amasosha akwa-Israel aqhubekile nokugadla eGaza, indawo yasePalestine ebingenawo ugesi kusukela ngoLwesithathu. Izikhulu zezempilo zithi bangama-45 abantu asebeshonile kulokhu kuhlaselwa osekudilize ibhilidi esifundeni saseJabaliya. Lokhu kuhlasela kwa-Israel sekubulala abantu angaphezu kwe1,500 kusukela ngoMgqibelo. Elakwa-Israel ke mbukeli lithi lizoqhubeka nokuvimba imigwaqo futhi ngeke livulele ngisho ney'nhlangano ey'lethela abantu usizo ngaphandle uma iHamas engakhulula ke bonke abathunjiwe. Khona manje lokho umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa usenxusa ukuthi kuvule ngokushesha nangokungena bingindlela ke engena eGaza ukuze kuhanjiswe kusizo ebantwini abalidingayo.
Ingxabangxaba ngokujikeleze ukubisa kwenqanawe yaseRussia iLady R eSimonstown kunyaka ophelileyo iyaqhuba nokombatha umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa. Ephendula imibuzo kwibhunga lesizwe lamaphondo, umongameli ukwabuzwe ukuba ayingebi iyamfamekiswa nayo ingxelo ngokufanyanisela igqiza ebelichongelwe ukuphanda lomba. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uphendule ngelithi akanasizathu sokulithandabuza eligqiza.
Umongameli welizwe uqinisekise lendlu kuba kukho umthetho ophulwayo ngokumisa ukaLady R eSimonstown. Ephendula imibuzo ngobundlobongela ngakumbi yobucwangcisweyo nobukhetseba, umongameli uvakalise inxalabo ekuchaza oku njengomngeni omkhulu. Ukwaphenduliswe ngokusekwa kwamacandelo akhethekileyo okulwa ulwaphulo-mthetho athembisa ngawo kwintetho ngobume besizwe ngo-2020.
We are going to continue bolstering the capability of these task teams. And much as I said, they've been allocated money. The money they've been allocated is still small. I'd like to see more money being allocated to them so that they become much more effective than they are.
I-Democratic Alliance ibuze ngokuchaneka kwengxelo egqiza beliphanda ngenyawo kaLady R ngelithi ingathenjwana.
I have no reason whatsoever to believe the findings of the panel were irrational.
Mongameli usikhusele isigqibo sakhe sokungazidizi esidlangalaleni ingongoma ezithile zalengxelo.
Those issues that have to deal with national security, I have decided to keep away from public scrutiny.
Umongameli ukwanike ingxelo ngenzame zikahulumente zokomeleza inkqubo zokukhuselwa kwamanqina. Amalungu eParlamente akwavakalise inkxalabo ngongcoliseko lomoya sisikhululo sezamandla ikusile esinikwe imvume yoko lisebe lezamahlathi ukuloba nokusingqongileyo. Ramaphosa uthi isizathu soko sihambelana nokukhawulelana nengxaki yocimicimo wombane kweli.
Mbukeli mama ngabe ulapha ya eThekwini lapha esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal hayi ubuka sengazuthi nje liyathi ukubalela kodwa liphinde liguqubale lokho kushintshana nje liphinde liphuma ilanga liphinde liguqubale ukushisa ke kulindeleke ukuthi kube between u17 degrees kanjalo kone 24 degrees kanti njengamanje basikhuluma nje kusawu 19 degrees lapha eThekwini ake sibheke nje isimo sezulu nakwezinye indawo ezifundazweni ezahlukahlukene lapha eNingizimu Afrika.
Enkosi kwakhona ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele kaloku apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo-ndaba yakho uSABC lihaye. Namhlanje ke ngolwesihlanu umhla we-16 ikwalusuku ke lwamaqanda lwezizwe ngezizwe i-Eggs Day ukutsho ke noba ngolwesihlanu wesibini ku-Oktoba. Umamodise Johanna Mutawungu umpheki ke owaziwayo kunye nomseki wevenkile yokutyela ehambayo ebizwa ngokuba yi-Design Date. Namhlanje ke usityelele apha kwinkqubo yethu uzosibonisa indlela apheka ngayo amaqanda. Mamodise, happy World Eggs Day. Siyakwamkela ekhaya jikelele.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you for having me again.
Enkosi kakhulu. Ngaphambi kokuba sihlabele mgama ndihalela ukuva kuwe as uchef olusuku apho kuphawulwa khona amaqanda okanye i-World Eggs Day luthetha ukuthini kuwe njengompheki?
Kimi, it means that we can be so creative with eggs. There's so much that we can do, and because eggs are serving also as an important health benefit towards imizimba yetu. So it's very important, and also about intengithandayo, it's that we can be so creative. I mean, amaqanda we grew up siwadla, whether be it boiled, whether ngepapa. So it's we can be so versatile now.
Yeah. And speaking of creativity, earlier on siyasaba nodliwano ndlebe nogqirha abongile esixelela ngokushokoxeka kwamaqanda ne-high price ezivenkileni. Abantu bayakhala, ungena ku social media, abanye bade bathi hey nenkukhu indlela ezibehavior ngayo lately zisifilisa special. Ungathi mhlambe wena njengoko urana i-design dates, lento yamaqanda ye-prices eziphezulu affecta njani?
Iya challenge kakhulu because now it means kumele ngifunane nezinye sources ukuthi ngize ngiwathola amaqanda. I mean, even yesterday mangizo prepare for namhlanje I had to ukuthi ngiye enye mall engayijwayelanga ukuthi ngiye kuyo so that I'll be able to get amaqanda. So it affecta kakhulu in terms of pricing yami in my business because I have to incorporate the price change to my mangzo quota umuntu clients for loan for maba requester for catering services.
Yeah, so ibasisanga nawe njengomseki wevenkile you are affected. Nathi thina abantu bazawuxhasa ivenkile yakho sizoba affected because ngoku uzawufika i-breakfast ixabiso sele liphezulu. Ungathi mhlawumbe ezeziphi inkolelo ezikhona about amaqanda? Siyaqonda bana mhlawumbe ingakumbi ke kwi-teenage girls kunenkolelo zoba mhlawumbe xa ngumntana utya amaqanda kuzawuthwanthwana. Ingaba mhlawumbe wena njengompheki zeziphi inkolelo ezikhoyo ngamaqanda kwaye singazibreaka njani ezingeyonyani?
Okay, mina especially mangikhula, we were told ukuba as girls we're not supposed to eat amaqanda because affecta umzimba wethu in a certain way. Ayenza ukuba si develop ngendlela ehluki like enkulu. Yes, yeah. But ayikho lento le amaqanda it's very important source of diet to the very good, and also in terms of the people aba consume amaqanda raw, which is also for health reasons it's not good because kune salmonella, which is a bacteria etholakalayo kumaqanda when you eating them raw. So but what I can encourage ukuba amaqanda are a very good source of protein. Ayadingakala good diet, and into that I like now it's because they're also easy to prepare.
Definitely easy to prepare. Go to njena nini na. Eseqondo bana wake wasindwendwela apha enkqubeni yethu ngaphambile usiphekela yayi wathi xa uhamba wonke umuntu apha studio wayemunca intupha. Kodwa ke namhlanje siyaqonda bana it's all about eggs. Ungasibonisa nje ubonise nababukeli bethu what you have prepared because you also spoke about creativity. Siyaqonda bana kweli xesha likaxakeka uze nendlela ezi-creative umuntu angapheka ngawo amaqanda kodwa in a cost effective way. Singafuna siqale pha phambili into ba into nothe wasilungiselela yona.
Okay, ngapha ngiyenze scrambled eggs which will be serving with ipap ne gravy. We can also have la maqanda with croissants, kune mushrooms, kune cheese, there's also bacon.
Uthe ipapa like ipapa?
Ipapa, but okay. I've added a bit of a twist to ipapa.
Okay.
It's like so le pap uyayibona nine a bit of greenish in it. So what I did ngifake a green pepper kule pap, a bit of aromat and a bit of butter ukuthi lithambi. Yes, and then I've also prepared tomato gravy to go with pap.
Uyenze njani tomato gravy because abantu abaninzi bayathanda into bana especially xa uzothi wenze ipapa kube nento esecaleni le oyichoy bana tomato gravy. Uyenze njani? Cela usivulele yona chef.
Okay.
Uyenze njani umixe?
So ngithathe onion ngayidice. Ngiyenze ukuthi ibe like very fine.
Okay.
And then ngathatha nama tomatoes are chopped, very ripe tomatoes. And then ngathela a bit of sugar because tomato it tends to have that sourness.
Sour taste.
Yes. And what I did, I've also added herbs, thyme. I've also added a bit of parsley, and then a bit of salt. And a bit of beef stock, ukuthi ibe ne tswai.
Okay.
And then I let it cook for isikhathi eside so that the matamatis are evenly cooked. Yes.
I see on the side we have boiled eggs. When's are boiled because I like creativity.
Okay, so on the boiled eggs, ngwa boilile, bese mase avuthiwe, I cut the eggs in half, and then keep the egg yolk. And then kunalawa are mixed with.
Oh, you took out the egg yolk.
Yes.
Okay, so now we save for something else.
Yes, because if ungafuna ukuthi uwayenze kanje, mhlambe ungawafaka in esinkweni sakho with evo, or mhlambe uthathe iqanda liphelele on top of a sandwich yakho. The way we funa ngakhona. But what I did, I took the egg yolks. Kunalawa ahlanganiswe with mayonnaise.
Yes.
Ne Dijon mustard. And then there's also bits of bacon. And then ne jalapeno and cheese. Bese enye, it's a bit of tomato sauce, mayonnaise, a bit of dill, and also what's this?
Tabasco kancane. Tabasco kancane. Okay. Siyaqonda ke ngokumhlambe njengoko siye sathetha earlier on bana sinale ingxaki yamaqanda. Ingaba mhlambe ikhona enye into umuntu azawuthi not replacing but azame nje into bana okay instead of amaqanda mandenze leni into. Ingaba ikhona enye into engahambelana to sort of replace amaqanda? Umuntu angaba nayo for breakfast or for lunch instead ba athi qanda.
Okay, there are lots of sauces that one can do to replace the eggs with. Sorry, ungasebenzisa avocado. Ama seeds are also very good. Ama chai seeds are a very good source of protein, as well as your flexi seeds. They're also good for protein. And then another replacement that one can do is chickpeas, which is mainly ideal for lunch because you can do salads ngazo.
Yes. And for abantu abathi jonga siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho. I know you've been here on the show before. Abathi siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho, siyafuna into mana usindwendwele ufumane kaphi. You can just share your contact information.
Okay, you can catch me on Facebook as Design Dates.
Siyabulela kakhulu and happy World Eggs Day.
Thank you.
Hayi ke mbukeli wami ndiyathemba into okubana nizivele nawe apho ekhaya njengoko ke sibuyezela usuku apho ke siqaphela amaqanda from ekuphekeni mbukeli siphinde sikuphekele kaloku sikuphe ucwambu lomculo oluzawuchukumisa ingcamvu yenhliziyo yakho. Ngoko mbukeli sisusa intambo sizisa pha kuziphora ozosinikeza umculo. The stage is yours.
Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for our country. Sokhalela kupina. Sokhalela kupina. For those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. Those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. For those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. Oh, those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. But I get trusted to lead us have failed us, have failed us. Those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. But bayafana laba. To lead us have failed us, have failed us. Those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. So balegela pina, so kalela pina, sizwa uba hanina. Senzeni na so balegela. Sikamukele ke mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele, sibonge kakhulu ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi kusukela ngehora lesithupha namanje usasenathi. Mbukeli siyayibongela. Namhlanje ke esigabeni sethu sama careers sibhekisisa umlingisi osakhula uSazi Maqoqa oneminyaka engama42 ubudala. uSazi ke mbukeli wazalelwa esifundazweni Eastern Cape eGcuwa, wakhulela khona ke wafunda kho eQapa. Ngonyaka ke u2002 wabeke sefudukela esifundazweni iGauteng, nalapho ke abe selandela khona italent lakhe lokuba ngumculi. Sixoxisana naye ke njengamanje lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sazi asikubingele sikamukele lapha ekhaya Jikelele, sibonga kakhulu kuba nawe namhlanje.
Wala sisifana.
Hayi ke konke khamba kahle, uright grand flexile
konke kuhamba kahle.
Sazi ngiyabona lapha noma ngabe ngifunda ibio yakho ukuthi ngonyaka u2002 wafuduka weza la eGoli. Mhlawumbe akungichazela izathu ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi ngcono ufudukele ngapha eGoli ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ufezekise amaphupho akho.
Enyanisweni sisiwami italente alikho kwezindawo. So ngelo xesha italente laligcwele apha eGoli. So kwabanzima ngoba ngandifuna ukucula ndingayazi ukuthi ndenze kanjani, but ngabe ndaphetha ndithola inumbers zika the late uVuyo Mkwena. So ndafonela yena wabe sesithi mandenze idemo, ndabe ngelo xesha ngingazi idemo ukuthi into enjani. Ya ekwenzeni kwami idemo xa sendiphinda ndifona ndimfonela back uButvuyo ifona ayisangeni.
Eish.
So ngatraya khona back apho ndandithola khona eza number zakhe. Lapho ke ndathola inumber zika Babujabu Hlongwana, Babujabu wathi manicule over the phone.
How?
So ngelo xesha kwakusasetshenziswa ama-container i-line xa uyofowuna ama-public phone. So ngacula wabe sesithi okay sazi ivoice yakhe right kodwa sinokwazi usebenzisana usi-Cape Town thina seJoburg so izeJoburg. So ndeza lo hlobo ke Joburg but ngelishwa xa sendifike eJoburg azange sabonana.
How?
Yes, endikhona eJoburg and eJoburg kwakho kwamntu endandimazi. Ngalala ePark Station, ngalala eThaveli cause nangena ndawo enzoya kuyo nandiqala ukuze eJoburg.
So wagcina ke wenze njani ngoba phela ngiyazi ukuthi wabuyela kapha noma lokho wahlala lokho?
Ndazixela ukuthi ngeke ndibuyele back eCape Town ndizohlala la eJoburg ngoba vele ndandizawuhleka xa ndibuyela back eKapa kodwa ufailile. So nganyamezela but ndaye ndaphumelela ke ekugcineni ndazothola the late uSifiso Ncwane.
Cha kodwa unenhlanhla ke ama contacts. Wathola abantu abaphezulu.
Ndanizama kakhulu. So kulapho ke waye one producer my first album eyayisithi Ungcwele uThixo.
Yenza kanjani ke yona lo album eyitolo?
Yazama nangona ke ndandisafufuka ndisakhula ngoba kubanzima xa usakhula yabo and ngelo xesha ngendabe kungekho inkampani ndandizipromothela ngokunokwami ndincediswa nguye.
Manje ke ngiyazi ukuthi ke umlingisi futhi manje ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi ake wafika release album noSifiso Ncwane usufika kanjani ke manje ekutheni wena usufuna ukuba iactor?
I-album sayi-release 2004 and then 2007 ndeza la SABC ngafika kusenziwa ama-audition kwicala lezendaba ndangena phakathi ndiyenze audition Xhosa yeah ndenze audition and then ukwenza kwami audition babe sebesithi ndibuze ukuthi xa ndifuna another audition ngenza kanjani bathi bandijoyine agent. So kulapho khona ke ndajoyina agent ndifuna uba ipresenter but ngelishwa agent endayijoyinayo yavele yandiselector kwi-movie eyayishutelwa eSun City eCharlize Theron.
Charlize Theron Arkan?
Yes. So kulapho ke ngoku kwaqala khona ukhona lwamele acting and akabuya after sivelo shoota lo movie sendifonela ukuthi okay bandiselectile kwi role ka Mr Bones 2. So the role ke leyo ke ndabona khona okay kuthi ukuthi I'm an actor mos.
So ke I-role le makuthiwa Mr Bones ushule ka Leon Schuster.
Ka Leon Schuster yes kulapho ndafeature khona ke lo role so lo role iyona ke yandiphakamisayo at least noba sensiya kwamanye ama audition nama directors so hayi man sike sakubona yes.
So ungathi kubaleke kanganani mhlawumbe mangabe usayi angazi ukuthi indaba yeagent idingeka kakhulu mhlawumbe uma usaqala noma uyayidinga nje throughout your career as an actor ukuthi kubaleke kanganani ube neagent?
Iyadingeka yona even noba uqale ngoba sometimes abakhona ama audition oya kuwo and then xa usiya kuyo without agent bayakujikisa because the audition leyo kuselectwe abantu from the agent. Yes, so xa ungenayo ke ngoku agent awukhona ukuthi ungathola even ama audition.
Ngiyazi ukuthi khona ke omunye umdlalo ke wavela kuwo udlala iphathe kuba isangoma kanti futhi siyazi ukuthi umKristu ngapha mhlawumbe lokho akuzange nikwenza ukuthi abantu abakwazi njengomKristu oshisayo ikakhulukazi waphela nawe ubu-release ama-album egospel njalo bese bekuyamanisa bese bebuka behluleke ukuhlukanisa ukuthi la uyalingisa.
Ikhe yabanzima kakhulu ngoba ndiyakhumbula ndiposta isithombe sa behind the scene xa ndisiposta ndathola amakhoza amaninji hayibo and then it's real you are sangoma and ndithi ngekaphendula ukuthi why sibuza because of manje abazalwana abaninji sebejikile bangena kwicala lobungoma so usisangoma nyani no I'm not sangoma but yabanzima sometimes because nabanye befundisi besithi xa beshumayela ezinkonzweni abazalwane beza nemimoya yobungoma yabona abanye ba understand acting ukuthi yini acting.
Yes. Manje ungathini mhlawumbe emntini ofuna ukuba umlingisi imaphi mhlawumbe amakhono kumele ukuthi abe nawo ukuze ezokwazi ukuthi aphumelele kule industry of acting?
Enyanisweni mna ndingene ku-acting ndingenayo even qualification just kujoin agent and then nokuyenza lento yabona xa ikuwe yes uyakhona ukuthi uyenze even ungenayo qualification.
So ke manje ngiyazi ukuthi ena sazi le industry of actor tricky ngoba uthola ukuthi job usho na ukuthi wafika wathola irole ka Mr Bones. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe phela u6 months noma 8 months awusayithola enye irole ikuthulekile. Manje kuphilwa kanjani unga advise uthini abanye mhlambe ababalingisi ukuthi wenze njani ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi uphile noma ingekho ngaleso sikhathi irole oyidlalayo noma kungekho idrama or iseries ovela kuyo ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah, it's true siswami. Enyanisweni iyaphela sometimes even noma 8 months uhleli kungekho gig oyitholayo. Kuyafuneka ukuthi ube nento at least ekuncedisayo. So that ungahleleleki ngaphandle. Mhlambe some business so that ikwazi ukungenisela imali.
So ke ungathini ke iziphi imidlalo mhlawumbe singakubheka kuyo ke going forward noma kuyo ama future projects osafisa mhlawumbe noma ukusebenza kwama productions?
Disavela ku the wife.
Yes.
Yes, iseyiyo okwangoku ikhona nenye sezaphuma bathi isinqumo sami. Yes.
So enjoya ukwenza kuphi mhlawumbe like ama characters kanjani imaphi nje ama characters ongathi yabona mangabe ngisuke ngenza le character I'm in my element ngiyazizwa nami ukuthi ayichanya lingiso wangempela.
Xa uyi-actor wenza any character.
Kuthiwa uversatile.
Because even ngoku like aniphuzi aniseli utywala but xa ndinikwa the role yokudakwa ndiba sisidakwa waya ngodi ngaseli utywala and abanye bathi bamangala uba uyenza kanjani le role kodwa awuzange ufake even awuyazi taste yotywala but xa usesetini wenza any role oyinikwayo.
So ungathi yini mhlawumbe enza ukuthi uma ngabe uyi good actor ukwazi ukuthi portray different roles uma ngabe mhlawumbe kuthiwa nje ubusha nawo ubala le role yokuba isidakwa mhlawumbe yini into yenza i-preparation ukuze ngoba phela into ongayazi awuna experience yayo so does it mean ukuthi mhlawumbe uzohamba ulandela isidakwa usibheka lapho actor kanjani ulokhu ushaya research yakho ukuthi ngabe sikhuluma kanje wenze njani ukulungiselela ama role njengalawo?
No, awulandeli isidakwa wenza lento ikwi-script sakho. Yes. Uba ithi dakwa uzawudakwa uba like le yesangoma azange ndibe sangoma and andizazi ama qualification esangoma but ngiyayenza irole yesangoma.
Wayishaya futhi.
Ndayishaya futhi.
Hayi cha ke futhi sazi siyabonga kakhulu sikufisela inhlanhla nje kuzo zonke into ozenza engathi nje ungathi uma kuma auditions kuthiwa nje yes uthi ungena kule audition kuthe yes.
Exactly.
Manje ke athina ama socials abantu mabefuna mhlawumbe ukucheck umsebenzi wakho.
Bangandichecka ku Facebook Sazi Maqoqa, ku Twitter Sazi Maqoqa, ku Instagram Sazi Maqoqa.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke Sazi Maqoqa ngesikhathi sakho wena Sikolo.
Iyabulela kakhulu sisho.
Mukelekelo wabesixoxa naye ke uSazi Maqoqa ongumlingisi. Ubesibeka nje sithombeni sokuthi kusho ukuthini kuba umlingisi iziphi izinto okufuneka uzenze ukuze uzoba umlingisi oqavile. Okwamanje ke mukeliso nje ke qunga seyitolo mangabe sibuya siyabuya ke usasekhona njalo uziphoro ngumculo ungalingeke uphuthela.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya Jikelele. Uziphora Msiza ligcisa laseThemba eHammanskraal. Lemvumi ke inesandi somculo esidibanisa ijazz, iafro jazz, isoul, ihip hop kunye nevangeli. Uziphora ke yimvumi eyazifundisayo umculo neyenza kakuhle kakhulu kwelishishini lomculo. Kutshanje ke uphumelele iwonga le demo representation kwimoshito kanyaka ka2022. Ukuzivela ngokuthe ngoku setha naye ke uZiphora unathi apha e-studio. Ziphora.
Sisi unjani?
Ndiyaphila Nkosi njani wena? Inkosi kakhulu ngokuba ube nathi kwaye ke ingoma yakho yasekuqaleni ibimnandi kakhulu siyabulela ekhaya.
Bonga mina sisi.
Ziphora ka usithathe wethu usibeke kuhamba lokho lomculo. Ungathi mhlambe intoni eyakhuthaza uba ungene kwelicandelo?
Intshisakalo passion. Ngikhule esontweni umama naye bakacula so umculo is part of me, it's part of my life and my upbringing. So kwaba nesikhathi la vele ngishiseka kakhulu and nga decide ukuthi no ngihambe kule ndlela yomculo.
Yes. Amazing. Siyabulela nakubantu abathe baphenjelela lo mculo wakho. Kwaye uyathi into bana ezinye zezinto ezinfluence umculo wakho, iafro pop, ijazz ikhona, ihip hop ikhona. Ungathi mhlawumbe kwezi genres zihlukileyo zicontribute njani kumculo wakho?
Zicontribute ngoba umculo ngolalelayo. So ngilalela ijazz, ngilalela ihip hop, ngikhulisa ugogo besilalela igospel or Rebecca Malope, so basikhulisile. So ngaleyo ndlela obviously sengikhulile manje, that has an influence in my music. Yes.
Uye waba inxalenye ye Dare to Dream movement. Wasibona soseliqongeni kwi theater. Ungathi yonke lonto ikuphucule njani umsebenzi wakho?
Iphucule kakhulu ngoba ngikwazile ukufunda nge-theater, performing live, abantu bakubhekile, and also from a small town, yazi sifunde okukhulu, dancing, bengathembi ukuthi ngadance, but I found myself dancing and doing very well there, and acting as well.
So kusho ukuthi jonga uthi ngapha ube ngapha uyacula uya-actor, which is truly amazing. Kwaye ke uzibhaqile usemitshatweni yabantu abadumileyo bafana noTelesmo baculela nabanye abantu abaninzi esingatsho into yobana bakwinqwanqwa eliphezulu. Can you share some of your memorable experiences njengoko ubuperforma kwezi ndawo?
I think, okay, ukuperforma for Telesmo was because then I was very young and so ukuperform emshadweni wakhe was a true blessing, and also kungikhombile ukuthi uNkulunkulu is able to really push me and put me to greater heights. So, and also ukuthola feedback from abantu obaperformelayo, whether be it umshado or party, is really fulfilling. Nje kugqwalisa umoya wami ngenjabulo ukubona abantu bajabulela into engiyenzayo. Yeah.
Uye wakhwetha nakwinkqubo ye-digital yesebe lezemidlalo, Department of Sports. That is a great achievement. And siyaqonda ngokwindlela mhlambe umculo o-evolve ngayo, siyabona into yobana abantu bayakwazi ngokukuthenga kwi-digital stores. Akusafani nakudala apho uzawufumana icwecwe okanye i-CD. Ungathi mhlambe into yokubana ukhethwe lisebe eliphezulu kangaka digitally, iye yawuphucula njani umculo wakho okanye yawukunceda njani into yobana uzipromote digitally?
Okay, so incede kakhulu siswami ngoba ngifunde ngoba kunama workshops, so basifundisa ukuthi how do you market yourself as an independent artist, and also ukuthi lo mculo lo ufaka kanjani ku digital platforms uyayibona, and ubani ongcono kunomunye, so awenzi izinto nje njengoba uthanda, but bakufundisa the right way to do things, basifundise the right way to do things. Yes.
Moshido Demo Presentation 2022 yangena yathi wala kahla.
Yebo, ngangena.
Yes girl, uyasebenza ntombi.
Ngiyasebenza, yeah.
Khawusixelele banzi ngayo nangendlela mhlambe owaziva ngayo, because I mean it's a great achievement also.
It is yo azange ngikholwe, because as an independent artist yo angeke ngithi kulula. Kunzima kakhulu. So this gave me hope. Winning this competition really gave me hope. Ivule loya mnyango ngabona light ukuthi kahle kahle I'm on the right path. So it really ingishintshile kakhulu, ishintsha impilo yami kakhulu ngoba manje sengila having this interview solely bengeke ngifike mhlawumbe, but here I am because ngeni competition. Yes.
And through it all, sendisho siyaqonda njengoba usithi into yobana indlela ibingekho lula, there were ups and downs, but uye wabambelela. Ungathi mhlambe kuwe as a musician, a self-taught musician, intoni eyayakwenza ube grounded in the music industry? Kuba siyaqonda into yobana akho lula emininzi imiceli mngeni abantu abajamelana nayo, and also just to inspire abantu abathi siyafuna ungena thina kwelicandelo lomculo qha asazi into yoba mhlambe singene njani, omnye angene adume, but I think the trick is to remain consistent, ungadumi nje kuphela. Khawabelana nababukeli bethu amazwi nje enkuthazo.
Okay, so mina ngathi surround yourself nabantu abazokufundisa. Like ungangeni ku-industry, with the music industry ukuthi udume kuphela, but wanna learn the business. Meluwazi as an artist the business side ukuthi kusebenzwa njani, and uzisondeze ebantwini abazokunikeza leyo information. Uyayibona ngoba akusilula vela, abantu bayarojwa abantu, so kumele nje nawe the passion must just be too much ukuthi usebenze kanzima and do your research. Abantu
xa bekufuna bakufumana phi beqamba jonga i-bookings simfuna apha lo girl?
Okay, at Zipora Msiza, ZIPHORA Msiza MSIZA at on Instagram, on Facebook, and TikTok @Zipporah Msiza.
Sakujuwetha ke pha ku TikTok.
Ngijuwetheni please.
Zipporah, enkosi kakhulu ngokuba usindwendwele Ekhaya Jikelele sikunqwenelela okuhle kodwa in your music industry. Siyathemba into yobana sakubona unominatwa nakwi-awards ezinkulu esizibonayo apha eMzantsi Afrika. It's coming.
I receive nyabonga sisi.
Enkosi kakhulu. Right, imbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele uyaqonda kaloku into yokubana siyathanda ukuqaqambisa izakhono zenu. Ndithetha kaloku ngemvumi, amagcisa, ndibala ntoni na. Usabukele ke inkqubo yakho oyithanda kunene Ekhaya Jikelele. Kunjalo nje sesiyiqukumbele ke iyure yethu yesibini kanti ngoku singena kwiyure yethu apho sizayiqhubekela khona ke iindaba zethu.